Hello everyone, good morning. How are you doing? Thank you so much for the feedback from the last storytelling session we had. They were amazing. I appreciate it all. Today I am going to be doing some singing with you like we would usually do at nursery. So I've written some songs down in my little mystery bowl and we're going to be picking one of the songs to sing. But before we do that, we're going to sing our hello song. So, hello everyone, hello everyone, hello everyone, and how are you today? How to make DIY drums using materials you can find at home. These are what you'll need: some paper, disposable cups, any cup is fine, scissors, sellotape, colored pens, some lentils, rice, stones, whatever materials you can find lying around in the house. Trust me, it's absolutely fine and will work in this activity. So first you need to put all your materials down, lay them in front of you, and then we can get started. The first thing you'll need to do is to make a couple of circles on your paper and cut around the circles, leaving some space for the rim. Now it's time to make your lovely drawings, patterns, shapes, swirls with all the colors that you love. And then you're going to cut little snippets all around the circle. That is going to be the top part of the drum. And then you're going to fill in your cup with whatever you have lying around in the house. In my case, I had some rice and some beans. So our first song will be Baba Black Sheep, yay! Baba Black Sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. One for the master, one for the dame, one for the little boy who lives down the lane. Thank you, said the master, thank you, said the dame, thank you, said the little boy who lived down the lane. Yay! We're going to do another song. Let's see. Incy Wincy Spider! Incy Wincy Spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sunshine and dried up all the rain. And Incy Wincy Spider climbed up the spout again. See if we've got one more song. Aha! See Mama Car. This is a popular song from our preschoolers and we're going to do it now. See Mama Car, see Mama Car. Rooka, 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 see Mama Car. Tembe, tembe, yeah. Tembe, tembe, yeah. Rooka, 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 see Mama Car. Hey, see Mama Car, see Mama Car. Rooka, 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 see Mama Car. Tembe, tembe, yeah. Tembe, tembe, yeah. Rooka, 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 see Mama Car. Thank you for participating in today's activity. It's time for us to say goodbye. So we're going to